यहाँ पर मास्टर शीफू जी हैं एंड टाइगर है. So टाइगर हम चाहेंगे कि आप इनको इंट्रोड्यूस करें.
My name is Tiger and here is the reason behind the action of my film Baghi, of our film Baghi. Master Shifu ji, he is not only the trainer of Ronnie, my character in the film, but he's also my trainer in reality, and I'm very thankful to have him. He's a fantastic practitioner of martial art. I think not only a very talented martial artist, but also he's a real life hero for those who don't know him. There's not much I can say about my master right now.
Very proud Indian. और मेरी पहचान ही मेरा भारत है, मेरी पहचान मेरा राष्ट्र है. That's what my identity. And उसके बाद अगर कोई बहुत बड़ी पहचान है तो because Dronacharya have always been known by one thing, and that's their Arjuna and Eklavya. तो मेरे लिए अर्जुन और द्रोणाचार्य का एक रिलेशन है. And I'm so proud कि ऊपर वाले की और मेरे माँ बाबू जी की बहुत बड़ी एक आशीर्वाद है. And because of that, I have Tiger Shroff in my life.
Yeah.
People are saying Chak De Fatte and they're giving you high fives and giving you thumbs up for all the great work that you've put in for Baghi. We've seen that. So, Abhilasha, before you take off, I want you to actually shake your hands with Master Shifu ji. That is when you will realize the power of him.
Okay.
Come on, go ahead. You have to see this right now.
Okay.
That's so unfair, man.
टाइगर को आपने ट्रेन किया है स्पेशली फॉर बागी इफ वी आस्क यू.
We basically worked on his basic skills. What he's mastered in is fusion martial art because that's his own kind. People think that he's doing gymnastics or parkour. No, it's his own martial arts called fusion martial arts, and I must say it's Tiger's fusion martial art because he's the master of that. Then it was a very big task to introduce the pride of this country, which is called Kalaripayattu, the world's oldest martial arts and the mother of all martial arts in the world. We tried a lot and we tried our bit. I would not say I've trained him. I've trained with him because I've learned more things than what I've trained him. That's why.
So, in a way, you're also making your acting debut with this, right?
I don't think so. कुछ कराया है मुझसे, and the credit is साजिद sir and साबिर sir. मुझे नहीं पता है. I'm a labor, मजदूर हूँ. वक्त पर पहुँच जाऊँगा. काम क्या करना है आप बताइए, and that I will do. Soldier.
Tiger, what was your first experience meeting Master Shifu ji? Because when I met him, he shook his hand and I'm like, oh, मैं हिल गया पूरा. What was your experience meeting him for the very first time?
I remember the first time I saw him, he was practicing a few moves, and so I was already taken aback at already the talent he was expressing over there. I'm fascinated by the martial arts, and
Right.
I don't get impressed that easily. After a long time, I've been impressed by a martial artist, and he's definitely the reason. So he was doing a few moves, and I thought, yeah, maybe I can do those things as well. They don't look that easy. I mean, they looked quite easy. The only reason they were looking easy was because he was doing them so effortlessly. He was doing them so gracefully. So that time he was designing action sequence for my character, and so I got into the position. It was sort of like a low kind of a squat with my hands in a certain way, and I had to stay in a very awkward posture, which he made look so easy. And I thought, like, this guy is hiding something under his pants. I mean, he's definitely, it's like he's as stable as a rock, and my legs were literally wobbling.
Right.
And everybody's looking at me like, Tiger, action hero, this. And I quickly stood up next to him and said, wow, master, can you show me something else, please? It was embarrassing for me because, he made it look so easy, and I thought I could do it, but I couldn't. But now here I am thanks to his training.
What's the one thing that actually keeps you going? सबसे ज़्यादा motivation टाइगर श्रॉफ को कहाँ से मिलती है?
I think मेरे माँ बाप से, my family, my parents push me to levels I never knew existed that I could push myself. And what I do is for them, and just to give them a happier life. That's all.
So सबसे ज़्यादा actually difficulty किस stunt पे हुई थी और कितना दिन आपको लगा actually उस पे workout करने के लिए?
I think physically से ज़्यादा mentally this film was very challenging. Scenes को लेकर अपने जो training थी, I have not many people know, but inherently I have a small ego when it comes to the things I do. So when I can't do something, I am very hard on myself and I get very angry. And luckily my master was there supporting me, and he's always given me these very small techniques to compose myself and to get better and to overcome every obstacle that I face throughout my training. So
maybe.
Yes, but maybe after 20-30 births. Reason, I've learned a lot from the entire team.
Right.
Especially from Tiger, what I've learned is the dedication. That's the most important thing.
अगर आपको चैलेंज करना हुआ इन सारे व्यूअर्स को ओवर हियर तो किस तरह से आप क्या एक ऐसा स्टंट देंगे या फिर कोई ऐसी चीज जो विद इन 1 minute दे कैन एक्चुअली डू मे बी अ हेड स्टैंड और समथिंग लाइक दैट अगर कुछ
Yeah,
चैलेंज
if you can just give them an open challenge, we'll take it ahead. It could be as simple as 50 push-ups in 1 minute, maybe.
So I challenge you guys to not use your phone for one whole day.
Wow.
Wow.
That's an incredible
Wow.
challenge.
so क्या टाइगर ऐसा करते हैं किया है कभी
Of course,
कभी किया है
of course, whenever I'm with my family or my loved ones, I try to look into their eyes rather than look into my phone's eyes.
प्लीज वन स्टंट प्लीज हर कोई बोल रहा है
And there we have Tiger Shroff right there.
It's basic though. Ready? Don't
Yeah,
try
yeah.
this at home. I mean, you can try it at home, but if you have supervision around, something simple.
Whoa! Woo! Master Shifu, rate him right now
Yeah.
on this impromptu.
He's born the best.
Okay.
I'm no one to rate. He's the best.